Good morning, students. Today I am going to teach you chapter MS Excel. In this session, I will discuss about chart, data sheet, components of chart. In components of chart, I will discuss about chart area, category axis, value axis, data series, plot area, chart title, legend, grid lines and axis title. Before we discuss all these topics, first I would like to discuss what is MS Excel. Actually, MS Excel is a presentation software. It is also called spreadsheet software. A spreadsheet is an interactive computer application for organizing, analysis and storage of data relevant to your work in tabular form. Spreadsheets can be considered as computerized accounting worksheets. The data is represented in cells organized in rows and columns. It is easy to perform complex mathematical calculation in a spreadsheet. What are the advantages of spreadsheets? They help to organize huge amounts of data. The powerful calculation features of a spreadsheet help in many financial accounting statements. The built-in functions can help in complex calculations. You can filter and sort data according to your need. A pictorial representation is called chart. A chart displays the data in a special window called the data sheet. Components of a chart. Chart area. This area contains the chart and all its elements. Category axis. This is the x-axis. It is the horizontal axis of a chart. Value axis. This is the y-axis. It is a vertical axis to plot the values. Data series. These are bars, elements or other elements that represent data value. They are known as data series. Plot area. This area is within the chart area containing actual chart, data series, category and value axis. Chart title. This is the heading of the chart. It describes what the chart is about and what its contents are. Legend. This depicts different patterns or color series that is assigned to a data series. Grid lines. Horizontal or vertical lines on the plot area depending upon the chart type are known as grid lines. They make it easier to understand the values. Axis title. The headings given to x-axis and y-axis are known as axis titles. They help in understanding what is being depicted on the axis. Column chart. This type of chart displays data in vertical bars. It is used to compare different items of data or show changes in data trends over a period of time. The value in this chart are depicted on the vertical axis, whereas the horizontal axis is used to depict categories. Bar chart. A bar chart depicts data in the form of long rectangular rods known as bars. Comparisons can be made among different items in a set of horizontal bars or vertical bars. Bar chart depicts value on the horizontal axis, whereas categories are on the vertical axis. Pie chart. This chart shows only data series. The data is depicted in the form of a circle. This is used when the user wants to compare individual items to the sum of all items. Line chart. A line chart is in the form of lines. It uses dots that connect, depicting trends over a period of time. This is similar to plotting a graph on a graph paper. Solution based on previous video. Question number 1. What is booting a computer? Answer. When you start a computer, the boot program gets copied from ROM into RAM. This is known as booting. Second question. What are output units? Write its examples. Answer. The output unit consists of output devices that are connected to the PC. These are the devices which display or give the result to the user. Examples of output units are monitor, printer, speaker, plotter, etc. Third question, give two examples of input unit. The examples of input unit are keyboard, mouse, camera, microphone, joystick, etc. You can write any two examples with the help of this answer. Give difference between analog and hybrid computers. Answer. Analog computers work on analog signals, whereas hybrid computers can work on both analog and digital signal. Analog computer is fast, but hybrid computer is accurate. Homework for today is, which type of chart will you make in the following situation? Depict the percentage share of different gases in the atmosphere. The sales made by 10 different salesmen in a department store. Show trending lines for 3 different share prices.